saw a certain design on Pinterest and I thought I would recreate it. Yeah, so we are going to make a mesh cover up with tassel materials. I'll need a tapestry needle. I'll need yarn. I'm going to use Seagull. It's a Kenyan brand. I'll need a pair of scissors, a tape measure, and a hook. I'm going to use a 3.0 millimeter hook. Well, let me take you through the steps. I'm going to make a slip stitch and a chain of 90. We are going to roll 2. You're going to yarn over, skip this stitch that is next to the hook that the hook is holding, get to the next stitch with a double crochet. Skip this, get to the next with a double crochet, and for a double crochet you yarn over, get into that stitch, pull through your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. You're remaining with 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all. That's a double crochet. You're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 2, 1, 2, make a double crochet in your 3rd stitch. We have started our cover up. You're going to chain 3, skip 2, make a double crochet in the 3rd stitch. Let me show you one more time and I'll meet you at the end. Chain 3, yarn over, skip 2, and make a double crochet. I'm going to chain 1, 2, 3, skip 2, and in the very last, make a double crochet. Here you are. Yeah, so we are heading to the 2nd row, and I would love to show you something. You're going to do something different from the previous row. For row 2, we are going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and turn your work. I've chained 6, 3 chains. These first 3 chains act as the double crochet, and the other 3 chains, they are these 3 that we chain to skip to the next stitch. I hope I'm making sense, guys. I chained 6 and turned my work. Chain 3 is this double crochet, then the other chain 3 is this. So literally I've done this. Let me move closer to the camera. I've done this and this. That's what the chain 6 is trying to show you. Yeah, so I'm going to yarn over and get to my next. On top of this double crochet I made, I'm going to make another double crochet. I think you can see now. I hope you can now understand why I chained the 6. So you chain 3. This row is simpler. We're just going to chain 3 and put a double crochet on top of a double crochet. Yes. Chain 3, get on top of a double crochet with a double crochet. We are going to do this till the end. The pattern does not change. Yeah, so guys, I went ahead and made 36 rows of this, and I made 2 parts, 2 identical parts. Both of them I made 36 rows. Yeah. So our next part, I'm going to sew these 2 sides together, 2 pieces together, this part and this part, but leaving space for the neck hole. Yeah, and since the neck hole was a bit saggy, this outfit is a Pinterest inspired mesh dress. Yes, I saw the neckline and it was a bit saggy, So I'm going to sew these two parts together. I'm going to count 8 boxes on the left and 8 boxes on the right. So I'm going to start with the ones on the right, from here to here. I'm going to sew 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I'm stopping here. I come on the other side and count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yeah, this is enough. I think you can see the space for the neckline. It's really big. That's what I was doing. So when I turn and come to the other side, I'm also going to sew the two parts together from here until I'm left with 9 boxes. Yeah, so guys, here's my very first armhole. As you can see, I went ahead and made 22 rows of this, 22 rows of the armholes. It's quite short, but I'm going to add tassels. I'm going to add fringes to make it longer. Yeah, so I want to show you what I did. I want to show you how to make the armhole, how to build the arm to make it longer. You're going to slip stitch, come into this space in the corner, come into this space in the corner, make a slip stitch. Yeah, you're going to chain 1 2 3 4 5 6. Go into the next space with a double crochet. You're going to chain 3, go into the next space with a double crochet, chain 3, go into the next space with a double crochet, chain 3, go into the next space with a double crochet. So basically this is what we are going to be doing. Chain 3, go into the next space with a double crochet. Yeah, so I want to show you guys this row, then you do the next 22 rows on your own. I just want to show you what happens at the end. When you reach the end, chain 3, go into the next with a double crochet, chain 3, with a double crochet. So yeah, this is basically what we are going to be doing. You don't need to stretch, you don't need to do a lot. It's not a big deal. I only used 2 stitches in this tutorial. Yeah, I used a chain and a double crochet. That's all. Chain 3, go into the next double crochet with a double crochet. Yeah, so we've reached the end of the row. Yeah, and you're going to chain 3, count 1 2, come on top of the 3rd chain. Remember, when you was beginning this row, you chained 6. So on top of the 3rd chain, when you come on top of it, you make a slip stitch and chain 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. After chaining 6, you go in the next double crochet with a double crochet. You chain 3, go on top of the next double crochet with a double crochet. All we are remaining with is beautifying our cover up. Yes, so I made half double crochet here. You're going to go into any space on top of any of these double crochets. You're going to chain 3, and into this space you're going to put 1, 2. Into this space you're going to put 2 half double crochets. You go on top of this double crochet with a half double crochet. You're going into the space with 2 half double crochets on top of the double crochet with a double crochet. Yeah, and if you can see, guys, you'll be having 1, 2, 3, 4 half double crochets. So you're going to go in the middle of these 4 half double crochets. You cut your fringes any length that you want. I wanted them longer, and you'll tie them in between. Yeah, so guys, I'm done with our mesh cover up, as you can see. Yeah, I made half double crochets, and in between the 4, that space is where I put the fringes. Thank you guys for watching. I can't wait to meet you in my next video.